Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this episode we're going to update the exhaust manifold on my buddy Mike's EVO, so come along. So if you guys have been watching the channel, you've seen this car on and off the channel for a little bit. The last video I think was the cooling system. Long story short, we're changing his manifold design. So here's his old manifold. A guy he knows made it. Did a good job and everything. It just doesn't really quite fit what he's trying to do with this car. And it's had a couple wastegate failures, and we just decided we're going to go with Morrison Fabrication exhaust manifold. Morrison actually lives like 10 minutes up the road from me. Long story short, I met him one summer when he needed some stock EVO parts that I had laying around in his shed for like 20 years. I'm like, yeah, I have them. This is his new redesigned manifold, or small runner, so he kind of changed the angles here and everything. He showed me some dyno graphs of this manifold on like a 900 horsepower EVO with a big runner. But this manifold is gonna be great for what he needs to do on this car. This is more like a race only car, because I mean, turbo setup here, there's no room for an intake and stuff. This is actually gonna be like more of an OEM fitment. So we're gonna need to redo his downpipe. We're gonna need to redo his intercooler pipes. I got his turbo housings clocked, maybe right. I'm not 100% certain. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna not use any gaskets. We're just gonna bolt the turbo to the manifold and get it in the car so we can kind of see how it all fits. And then we can work on making some intercooler pipes and downpipe. Then once all that stuff's fabricated, we can actually bolt everything together for final assembly. Nuts. Yeah. So what we're talking about here is the lower intercooler pipe. It's gonna have to come down and over. I gotta clock the center there and everything. But otherwise it fits pretty dang good. Well, that's where I'm gonna leave it right now. I'm gonna order some materials to do the downpipe, and then we'll pick back up with you guys. A little bit of change of scenery. It's been like a month since I put the manifold on, but we're here to work on it. I want to get everything tacked up today. It's gonna be like 95 degrees, so nothing like welding. But we gotta do some stuff here. This car doesn't have air conditioning anymore, so I'm actually gonna remove this to give us some more room to make this bend here. Once that's done, we can work on cutting up his old downpipe, because we're gonna reuse probably most of this up until about right there, because that doesn't fit anymore. We'll get it down, get it all tacked up, and I'd like to get the intercooler tacked up so then I can just weld it, assemble it, call it a day. The only thing we're gonna have to figure out yet is what we're gonna do about this guy, because there might not be a lot of room to run it down there, but well, with this out of the way, we should have quite a bit of room. So let's pull the AC compressor out and go from there. But anyway, when I ran home, I found a tight radius 90, so ended up not having to tack those. So let's toss this on and see what it looks like. And if I like how it fits, we can tack that on and do some more fit up. See if I can get you guys a little bit better angle here. Oh yeah, that looks a lot better. Okay, but it'll work.
tackle meet?
It might be a little bit of a jump in content. Mike just informed me that I haven't been recording, so thank him.
Oh.
But we got that down. We got a couple pie cuts. We got the downpipe on too, and I think this little piece right here with one more pie cut might get us where we need to go. So I got Mike here with another creeper. Ooh.
Sir, where was your safety squints?
Tall end up. What we could do too though, Mike, is we could take a little bit off of this.
Congratulations, it's a boy. I just randomly got in my head after you said your boy's back. I've abandoned my boy.
Okay, I'm gonna attack these. I think I'm happy with these. Close your eyes.
I guess I don't need to hold it, do I? It's tack.
You know, let me maybe hold it up because you got a pretty good axis here to mark it, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay.
And you can see exactly how you want to line it.
In theory. Do you know which mark, or do they all?
Top two.
Can you make an X through the one that's not?
Yes.
Okay. Oh. All right. Let's tack this one.
But I've been getting a lot of grays in my mustache. I'm like, God damn it. Of all places.
I mean, here's the thing. I'd rather have grays than be bald.
Fair.
Let's try that.
Let me get a better angle on it.
A little angle of the danglage.
It's not cooperating. Ow.
Ooh, it's hot. Yeah, a little bit, right? This is what we got going on so far. You like it?
Yep.
Ooh, yup.
Well, I guess they're all. Ratcheting one.
It's fine. I don't know if the ratchet end will fit. No, that's okay. Fits nice. So we're gonna try the intercooler pipe now. Yeah, so we just went to the shop. I wasn't able to find the tube. Pretty sure I looked in the wrong spot. I'll check again later, but we were able to mock it up with the stainless steel one. Fits awesome. We might have to just extend it 3-4 inches. And Mike decided to go out the hood. That'll be cool. Shooting flames out the hood. Chapow. Well, perfect. That's actually where we're going to leave this episode. We got to order some materials and everything. But next episode, we'll probably have this up and running again with all these parts welded and hopefully heading to the dyno. So, you excited?
Heck yeah.
Well, if you're looking forward to more EVO content, make sure you guys subscribe and we'll see you later.